Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix power search returning no results in Fiddly. So if the power search gives no results in this app, it's usually due to query mistakes, filters or plan limitations. Okay, so actually guys, first you will need to check your search query. So that's the most common. Okay, so the power search is strict. So the common problems is too specific, no matches, wrong operators, typos, etc. And to fix the issue, you'll need simply or simplify your query. Right? So like if you're searching for the AI marketing tools for e-commerce, for example, for the beginners at 2025, you will need just to type AI marketing. Right, and then just go with done and go with explorer search. Right, and then look for the topic just manually that will fit you. Okay, and then refine step by step. Also, you might be searching in the wrong place, and to make sure, you'll need just to tap on the three lines that's located at the bottom left, and right here on the feeds section or the second section, you will need to go with or to switch between the all feeds and the specific folder or specific source. Okay, so if the selected folder has no matching content, that will give you 0 results. Okay, so let's say that I want to look for the TD uploads on YouTube on the tech folder. Okay, so that will give me 0 results, so I will need to look for it on the actual or the right folder as the content ideas on my phone. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.